It's Y2K Teacher, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use a rapid COVID test. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure you wash your hands. Be sure to use soap and warm water. Give those hands a good scrub and get rid of all the germs. You can sing the letters of the alphabet, and you should get all the way to the end of the alphabet before you are finished scrubbing those hands. You want to get all those germs off of them before you do your rapid test. So give them a good scrub. When you're done, dry them off with a clean towel. Okay, now that my hands are all dried, and I'm going to next check to make sure that I have everything I need to do the test. I put the tray down so that I can unpack all of the items from the test kit. I need to make sure I have a test device, a sterile swab, an extraction buffer tube, a nozzle cap, the instructions, and if I am a child, I want to make sure I have an adult with me. This is the extraction tube, the sterile swab, and that's the rapid test kit. And they should all be sealed when you get them. Now, the adults with you will want to make sure they have the testing instructions. It is really important to follow these instructions every time you do a rapid test. And you want to make sure that the expiry date on the back of your rapid test has not expired. So just check that test kit date to make sure it's still valid so that your results can be relied on. So I'm just doing that now. I'm following the instructions. The first thing it says to do is remove the foil from the test kit and set it in the plastic tray. Now I'm taking off the foil from the extraction tube, and it doesn't have a place to sit in the test kit, so I'm just popping it into my toothbrush holder. You want to put it somewhere where it's not going to fall over and spill. You need that extraction liquid. I'm now taking the swab, and normally if an adult were doing this for you, they would tilt your head back and they're going to go past your tongue and tonsils and rub it back and forth 4 or 5 times. Now you'll notice my eyes are watering a little bit because it does tickle your gag reflex. Now I'm taking that same swab and I'm leaning my head back, and an adult would do this for you. And tilted back, they're going to take that swab and slowly rotate it in a circular path against the nasal wall 3 to 4 times for about 15 seconds in total. Now again, that will feel like your brain is being tickled a little bit, but it shouldn't hurt. Now once that's done, the adult will take that swab and put it into the extraction tube and then stir it around for about 10 times. And once that's been stirred around, I'm now going to take the nozzle cap and I'm going to insert it tightly into the extraction tube. The adult would do that, and then they will flip that upside down and apply 4 drops of the extracted specimen to the specimen well of the test device. And then you will just wait patiently for that liquid to move through the test, and you want to make sure that the device is flat while you wait for the results to appear. And it can take up to 15 minutes for those results to appear. So you might want to go read a book while you're waiting for the results to appear on your test kit. Remember, there are other important things to consider when looking at the test results. Positive results should be considered in conjunction or along with any other symptoms you may be experiencing. And if you have any questions, you should be sure to consult the Nova Scotia Department of Health by calling 811. So this is a control line. So this C indicates that I've tested negative. So 2 lines indicates a positive test. Thankfully for today, I've tested negative, but it is important to test regularly. For more information, go to novascotia.ca/coronavirus. There's lots of great resources there for your parents on the symptoms, self-isolation, how to track days of positivity, and how to get tested. And remember, I have lots of students who are saying that they have belly aches. And what this applies to is you need to let your parents know if you're not feeling well. But what we're looking for with COVID is we're looking for 2 or more symptoms, which include a fever, a headache, a runny nose, a sore throat, or cough, or shortness of breath. So that's really the symptoms that we are looking for when we are screening for COVID. Be sure to talk to your parents for more information or to let them know if you have concerns about not feeling well. I hope you now realize how easy it is to do a COVID rapid test and that it really doesn't hurt. By doing a rapid test, we're all taking care of each other's health and wellness. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Y2K Teacher, HRCE, and visit my website for more resources. The link is listed in the video description below.